I don't know what the wise son and Mary gets. I don't know what. Hey!
Hey!
How can a married woman every time you go find my friend for what? I slept with girls that I'm acting film with. Mary slept with wise one. You don't know what is happening already. I'm not ashamed. I'm no longer ashamed. I'm not ashamed again. Then you cannot rob me to the mud more than this.
You
were pregnant for 2 months.
Why did she sleep over? Married woman.
No, when the married woman they go to for a friend house. I don't ever go. I don't ever go Jesus. I don't ever go wise one get friend house.
A man that cannot stand.
Can't you just say something?
You are not a true Igbo man. People don't want for Igbo.
It's obvious you have something to do with that. See, people have been doing something.
No, wise one. I don't like this way they talk. You, na my house you come. May they not say na my house you come.
Oga.
No way till you talk.
Oga.
No way till you talk.
It has been long.
I know I beg you. Oga, let me start. Na my house you come. If you do this,
David, you know you're not.
if wise one talk more sense, why you come for here?
Time when this guy they tell me say come out for the house.
You come for here.
Last year when I came in, I hear where Joy sit down, now sit down. When they beg Joy, make it stay. You were asking Joy, begging Joy to stay. She wanted to go. You don't really go. All of them call me bad person.
Wise one, you go fear man.
What do you open your mouth and talk online? What do you want to talk?
You go fear man.
If you're specific, be specific. Who wrong you here? What did she do that you are saying Mary and Joy should leave? What's making the other John? When I talk, I say you have everything. Do whatever you want to do with Joy. Now you must. Now you sabi. Now no matter what I wanted to do. Don't make this innocent lady. What did they gain? Get videos. What did they talk about video they do now?
So na Mary now they support now.
Hello, I am starting on the
I never like you had the Bokuga one yet.
What did they do? No make sense.
Why is almost truth?
What did they do? No make sense. What did they do? What does not make sense? That lie. I'm starting on the truth. I can't ask them to leave.
Whose truth are you talking
If you are tired, sign and she go.
Whose truth are you talking about?
In fact, I blame myself for even talking at the long
Wait,
they come.
why is on whose truth are you talking about?
The truth is, why would we be talking about saying she does see her, she does see her? Don't be past, she never beg you.
How is your business?
She never beg you.
When did they talk?
When did you be God? How do they beg you rich?
Do you know how often she they remind me of all those things?
Remind you of what? Is it everything woman talk you go look?
You they support her.
Every woman, unless I understand what, if you are tired, then I will carry her to go.
You gotta go.
I'll carry her to go now.
Carry her to your house.
Wait.
Why so carry Mary they go your house? Why son? Carry Mary. Carry Mary they go your house.
I go carry her go make she get peace of mind.
Carry her.
Don't let Mary
Go
sleep
to
for
your
your
house
house.
so that you finish what
Don't
you
let
started.
Mary sleep for your house.
You hear what this is? What rich person they talk? They hear.
Married woman.
Film yourself online.
Now you know what.
You know my say come house.
Now I don't know.
You don't come in video call.
I don't know. I don't know anything. I don't know. I don't know what thing Mary gets. I don't know what thing Mary gets.
You are now.
Thank God say I remember this one. I don't know what thing wise son Mary gets. I don't know what thing.
Hey!
How can a married woman every time you go find my friend for what? How many? Ask this fool way come and say my friend. Ask him. How many times I don't meet your girlfriend?
Maybe be kill you.
No, how many times I don't meet your girlfriend? How many times I don't meet your girlfriend? Where's the man go to for your house?
You don't know that she come my house.
I don't know.
The first time she come my house, we went to the Saraka. Look at me. I don't promise you police station. I promise you police station. You must go there.
Why do you come
You
out?
there.
Talk, you cannot put your mouth.
What did you and Mary? What did Mary do?
They want to
Do you know how many times I go to your house?
What's the problem?
They will not leave her outside the
Where
person.
till Mary go to your house?
What's the problem? Bitch goes on this house.
Really? His wife is not your friend. No, my friend, no. Now I don't understand. Why son is my friend, but I don't understand.
For like 3 to 4 days.
Madam, shut up. Stop saying rubbish.
So you talk nonsense.
Where did she go do this?
Which one before this?
The last time Mary went there, she slapped.
You consent.
Why son house? Why son is just pretending?
Because I dey correct you. When they do your woman when no make sense. Why you gonna bring past down? She never beg you. You be God. Why don't beg you rich? Everybody go. Push it come out.
My friend.
Push it come out.
From your house, you don't let me know.
You don't know.
I don't know.
You're very stupid human being. You're very useless being for that.
You keep pressing him and insulting him.
I don't know. Okay, fine. You call me on video call. Why did you sleep in Wise's house? Why did you sleep on his bedroom?
You that went said that you were sleeping with the girls.
I slept with
that is
why you went to
He's a man.
Okay, I slept with the girls I used in acting video. So you slept with white boy. So wait, I slept with girls I'm acting film with. Mary slept with white boy. Are you seeing Mary? Are you seeing Mary? Now she said I slept with people that I'm acting film with. She slept with white one.
After everything, you were using your tongue
I am not wise one.
It's obvious you have something to do with her. See, people have been doing something.
Look at this one that killed her
It's
baby.
obvious.
Which hospital you take to abortion?
No wonder you don't
Where did you do your abortion?
No wonder you don't
Where did you do your abortion? Where did you do your abortion? You carried a baby of 2 months to do
what
wedding
she
with
did in
it.
your house?
You were pregnant for 2 months.
Why did she sleep over married
What
woman?
happened to your
No
baby?
wonder.
What happened to your baby?
No wonder. You dey always support this lady.
Why would I
No
support her?
wonder you dey always support
Because
this
she's
lady.
an orphan. You are treating her anyhow.
Because she's an
You are
orphan,
taking
that
the place.
gave you the right
Because
to
you don't care
invite a
about
married
her.
woman to your house.
Every truth they come outside now.
Yes,
Yes,
the truth and what is
Tell
all
me
this.
what
Yes.
is all this?
I am so glad that every truth is coming outside.
What is all this? What is all this? If you don't tire, tell her, tell 1 minute ago.
Wait, I
No, I don't dey go
I
because
swear
some
his
people
brother
dey-
did. I
my
swear his
husband
sister
friend.
did. I slept with him and his sister. I posted it on my Facebook.
That was later, oh.
I am not like
That
you.
was later,
I am not
oh.
like you.
You went to his house, I did not know. You went how many times? 2 times. I did not know. I aligned that because I'm online. You aligned that I know. Waiting married woman they go to for a friend house. I don't ever go. I don't ever go Jesus. I don't ever go wise one get friend house.
Mouth to talk to me.
What are they saying?
Sit down, Jare.
Now you give a mind when you take the talk.
Actually,
Give a mind. Stand there and please let me talk to you because I put my mouth on your phone.
why you don't go? I don't
Alex,
go
Alex,
to
don't give me the
Why
money.
am I a stick?
After Consusuari,
Am I
he's like a confused slave. Tomorrow
I don't
when
understand.
you're here. A man that cannot stand
Can't
for
you
his
just
God.
say something?
You are not a true Igbo man.
Question.
Igbo man for Igbo. I'm disappointed in you. Igbo can imagine talk.
If
Igbo man will not be dead to
Can't you call a
I don't need anybody to support me. I don't need anybody to support me. I am saying the facts. The truth is bitter. The truth is bitter. You call yourself a married woman. What are you doing in my friend's house? Okay, you went there. You went there before calling me. You don't already reach there before they come and say you did my friend's house. What nonsense is that? What kind of closeness is that? You slept in his bedroom. Come. I don't know. They made me calculate all this thing. Before I was not thinking this thing. I was not thinking all these things. But now she's provoking me. Why is also provoking me?
When you are provoking your village people. You are asking them to leave. Throw their bag outside. People that you are using them.
Call a spade. Call a spade. Face it. You are which person they get problem now? What's concern me for this?
Confused idiot.
Wait, though.
Why are you a confused
What's the matter you now?
Wise one, Alex, let me talk. A married man that does not know when his wife is sick. When I was in this place, did you know how many people he comes to come and treat me? And you were in the house.
He doesn't know now. He would not know.
What's wrong with you?
Every day.
Let you go and to his house.
Why did you abort your
Why
pregnancy?
put your pregnancy?
Why did you abort your pregnancy? You left DNA.
You said you were sick.
No,
Your word know what is happening already. I'm not ashamed. I am no longer ashamed. I'm not ashamed again. Then you cannot rub me to the mud more than this.
when
You
I did,
cannot.
they reduce everybody on social media notice.
You
Only for
cannot. You cannot rub me to the mud more than this. You cannot rub me to the mud more than this.
Will you shut up?
Mary, you cannot rub me to the mud more than this.
Will you shut up?
Oh, upon everybody where you see now, why is on house you go treat yourself?
The day you will tell me, you will talk about this, you will regret it.
I will boast you now.
Liar.
I will boast you.
Slap her. I will personally bring this case to human rights activists.
My wife, somebody I paid a diary, and now my wife be challenging me.
You will not touch her.
Seriously with me. How can a woman I call my wife will be challenging me in front of the presence of my friends? I talk to her if she go my friend house, man house, go sleep.
Bet me you can say.
We're not having issues.
You don't get mouth.
You go man house, go sleep.
Very useless person.
You are failed to this one carry 1, 2, 3 to do what you think. you
Now your mission has
Ẹ
failed.
wí pé.
It has failed.
There is no use pregnancy. Ordinary man do.
Here they name you. Here they make
roll your head, drop.
Okay, I'm surprised that the candle is.
Here this guy. Somebody
It's
come
not
and
very
go.
bad. Your own juju.
Look at what you're doing. That's what you're doing.
Small.
Then you make online. Then you do one. Look at what you're doing.
Baba Victor, one day you kick, or people Victor, one day
You
you
know
need
they
to
fight
take
for
it.
am. You are
Mama,
fighting
shut
for
up.